Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the video to show you my what's the name already for this kit? I believe it's Tea Party with Marie Antoinette. Okay, yeah, this is the May. Yeah, it's a May kit. It's a fabric book. Yeah, this is how I create my one with the kids. So yeah, I believe so many of the members that they're still waiting for me to post this video. Actually, I still haven't finished. Still couple pictures haven't finished. But anyway, I will show you how I did with this book. Okay, you can see I altered this cushion and use the flowers and some of the laces from the kit and the applique and with the blue, very soft blue. Okay, and I use this. All this you get from the kit, and please, who cost for the kit, I believe you will only receive 3 set of this flower. But if you want the pattern, you please PM to me. I will send the images to you through Facebook or email. Okay, this is how I make. And I also have the same tutorial that I show you how to make all this flower, shabby chic flower. What I did is I use this ribbon flower for the center. You can see underneath I use the applique and layer with the trim and lacer from the kit, and I fussy cut all these teapot and the cupcake that you will receive from the kit. And okay, and underneath here also add the flower, and I make the dress. Use the lace and the applique lace from the kit, and this also you will receive from the kit. And what I did is I just add this spoon and the applique and hang like so. Okay, and this is the cover page, and this is the back. Okay, and the fabric, and open up. Okay, and you can see. Okay, and I use the image of fussy cut, and underneath I use the felt to make it more dimension. Okay, and this also you get from the kit, and I make it like a pocket, and this page is a pocket page, so you can put something in here. And I use this fabric, and you receive the fabric is 2 layer, and what I did is I removed the underneath the fabric like a satin, satin, and I just use this lace for the cover the page and layer with the trim. All this you get from the kit. Okay, and this I also alter the hip piece with the applique and flower from the kits. Okay, and over here you see I hang this dangle. Also you get all this in the kit like so. And this is a very simple kit page, and this for the kit you receive 1 set of this, but this because I print extra, so I use this here. Just make it like just a lace page or whatever pocket. Just see what you will put on this page, and the tassel trim also. And this page you layer with the lace trims and fabric, and get the lace and 3 layers of the embroidered lace from the kit. Okay, this page image here, and layer with here so many different layer with the laces. Okay, And this page haven't, yeah, didn't do anything. And this is the extra page pieces, so yeah, just what I left, I just put in the center. So yeah, you get this page here, and this still no idea what should I make for this page. Okay, and so, and this already made this, and you can see. So yeah, this chair, armchair, yeah, you receive from the kit, and this image also I fussy cut and layer with the fabric. The fabric is the cover page, the fabric the leftover, so I use it make the dress and the lace, and this also is the leftover pieces. Also I just, yeah, do different color, you can see, and I add some the trim on the fan, the fan, add the flower and the teacup. So you get from the kit, and cut the small pieces from the laces. So you get this one, and underneath is the doily. Doily you also receive from the kit. And then this page I just attach this time for tea, and this also fussy cut from the image, so I just glue it here. Everything you get this from the kit, okay? And layer with the embroidered lace. So yeah, everything, all this color, everything, yeah, the blue and the shimmer one, and this, all this from the kit, okay? Layer the doily, and this one is I forget, yeah, also from the kit. I just fussy cut out and just have this one. Everything, yeah, I didn't throw, I just, yeah, keep all the pieces. You can use all the small pieces to alter the your book, okay? And I never throw the laces, even the small pieces I also keep it. The small pieces you can use it to make a snippet roll, yeah, just keep everything. And this page, another page, very busy page. And this is a cup, also you receive this, and I use the trim, the shimmer, the gold thread lace trim to cover the cup, and fussy cut this lady, and yes, you hold the teacup, you can see, okay, she having tea, and alter the hip piece like so, and put the applique underneath, also layer with the lace you get from the kit, and tassel, trim, and layer with the lace, okay, the trim. And this page is another pocket page, and this big teapot also from the kit. And this is the big pieces applique, and I cut the leaf and use it here, okay, you can see, and I put the flower here, and this is the pocket page like so, and this one just put here. I'm not sure this you get from the kit, no, let me see, yes, but because that one is the extra one, so I use that for this page to show you. This is the pocket, okay, underneath is the lace you get from the kit, and haven't do anything from in this page, but I already layer with the applique, the embroidered lace. So yeah, and this is the last page. So another purchase page, you can see it, and this image I print out and fussy cut, and all this cupcake, yeah, you receive from the kit. What I did is I just cut apart and just layer like so. And this one, the flower, I make it extra So yeah, at the rosebud and the head piece here, you can see also it's the cupcake and with the flower. So after this, and use this trim, and these pieces, yeah, like just now I mentioned, is from this fabric, and I just use the lace for this page, and the fabric I use it to make the dress for this gorgeous image. Okay, she will the cupcake, and use this gorgeous lace to make a dress like so. Okay, and this page is a pocket page also, and the teacup also from the kit I fussy cut out, and it's a pocket, and this I just attach here and use this tea bag to make like so. It's a pocket page. Okay, this is the last page like so, and this is the back, and you have to yeah, 4 more pages haven't do. And this, you can see the earring, I use this rose resin rose to make a earring. This you didn't have in the include in the kit. This is just I add this in from my stash. Okay, and so yeah, this is the my fabric M.Antoinette lace fabric book like so. Dress like so. Okay, and hope you all likes it. And yeah, please feel free and leave me a comments and let me know what you all think. And if you like this book, please give me a big thumbs up, and I truly appreciate each one. And yeah, and thanks again for everyone, and